Hello?
You cannot put tinfoil in a microwave.
What?
You cannot put tinfoil in a microwave.
Why are you making me feel weird about this?
Because you'll blow up the house.
No.
You cannot put tinfoil in a microwave.
Well, I mean, if it's wrapped around a turkey, you can.
I don't think so.
I read it online.
That you can put tinfoil in a microwave?
Yeah, when you're cooking a turkey.
Okay, I don't know anything about cooking a turkey in a microwave, but...
How long do you think I should put the turkey in the microwave for? It seems like it fits. It's like 25 pounds.
Call Butterball Hotline or something. I never heard of putting a turkey in a microwave.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just high.
Okay. Where did you see that it says you can put tinfoil in a microwave?
Ask Rich.
Okay. Rich. He wants to know how long do you put a 25-pound turkey in the microwave? Yeah, you can.
Why not?
He said you cannot put a turkey with tinfoil. It'll blow up the microwave. He said the same thing I said.
I think both of you guys are losing it.
Okay. All right, honey.
Alright, thanks anyways.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.